Hey! Are you having the hiccups? Do you have the hiccups? What's up? Are those the hiccups?
Mm-hmm. If those aren't the cutest little hiccups I ever heard. Boo. That's so funny. You're funny, girl. You're a funny girl.
She's like, I feel funny right now. Where am I? Hi.
Where's that warm, comfy place I've been?
Hi. You look a little freaked. See that chin? Oh, there's the Lutz chin. We call it the wand chin, but it's become the Lutz chin. The trademark of the four Lutz girls.
To Great Grandma Wand for that chin.
Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweetie.
Say hi, Daddy. Is that your daddy? Yeah, is that your daddy, maybe? Maybe could that be your daddy?
Hi,
Daddy?
yeah, it's Daddy. Say bye.
See, I don't know if that's my daddy. That looks like a camera. Maybe that's your daddy behind it?
Bye.